welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shataria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. So in today's video, I have my lovely daughter,
Sai,
and I also have my youngest son,
Cam.
And today we're going to be making these special Halloween white chocolate pretzel treats for you guys. So if y'all interested in seeing how we created this spooky snack, then keep watching. All right. So y'all, we need to tell everybody what it is that we need in order to make this snack. So the first thing we need is what, Sha?
pretzels.
Pretzels. What else?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Cam, what is this?
Your white chocolate?
White chocolate. You also need, well, you don't have to have a bottle, but I suggest you get a bottle similar to this.
Oh, we already have one.
Yeah, so we're gonna use this bottle here. Also, you're gonna need a few toothpicks. I just have mine in like a little sandwich bag. You're gonna need some freezer paper or parchment paper, either or. And then you're just gonna need some pans to make the snacks on. So let's get into it. Okay, hopefully this is a better angle for you guys so y'all can see exactly what it is that we're doing. So the first thing we're gonna do is line our pans with parchment paper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, how you do this? You laughing at me? Where is the cutter? Oh, the cutter is right here. Okay.
Oh,
Somebody. Baby, that was hard. Okay. So, just pull you some out. Of course, y'all know to wash your hands first. We've already washed our hands. You need help, son? Okay, so I'm gonna be the one to go ahead and melt this. I'm just gonna pour a few of these in my little measuring cup right here, and then I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds. Just pour it in there. Okay.
45 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
It ain't melted yet.
It's not melted. Okay, get that little spatula and kind of stir it a little bit. Oh, it's melted.
Never mind.
Yeah, it's
We
melted.
do it for like one more 45 minutes. Well, 45 seconds.
Nah, I think 45 seconds would be too long. Maybe let's do 15 more seconds because we need to be able to transfer this from this to the.
It's kind of hard.
All right, y'all. So we melted our white chocolate. Our white chocolate is a little brown because we melted it a little bit too long, but that's okay. Just act like it's white, okay? Y'all act like y'all ain't never burnt nothing a little bit. But anywho, you're gonna get you some pretzels. So y'all get some pretzels, and you want to start with a cross. So try to do a cross as best as you can.
I'm done.
Oh, Shay, you moving my stuff? I'm gonna bring y'all down so y'all can see what we're doing. So the thing is, Shay, so you wanna try to make a cross like that. Just like that. And then once you make your cross, then you wanna add some pretzels in between. Oh, Shay, you, baby, what?
I can even put my pretzels together.
Cause I'm in your way?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Let me go get my own pen. I went and got my own pen because clearly I was in my daughter's way, baby. She wasn't trying to hear what I was saying. But you want to start out with like an X like that. Cameron, you ready for the chocolate? You not ready yet?
Yeah, I'm ready.
And then from there, wait, Shy. From there, you want to add. From there, you want to add
I'm not praying for
your
it.
pretzels like this.
Slow down.
Okay, so does that make sense? You want to start with the X. And then you're gonna add additional pretzels.
Mommy, look, I did it.
You did a good job, Shy.
I worked hard on doing this.
Period, girl. And then you wanna go in with your white chocolate. Ours is hot, but you wanna put that right there, cause ooh, baby, it's shooting. You want to put that right there because that's going to seal the deal. Okay, y'all, this is too hot. We're going to have to let this chill a little bit because it shouldn't be, baby, it shouldn't be that big. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to do another example. Since that was so hot and it shot it out like that, so let me come over here with this. Cameron, give me the chocolate. It's in the freezer. Okay,
Hot.
so let's do it again. Let's see if it worked better. Yeah, that's a lot better. So that's how it should have came out the first time. That's how you want it to look. Now, at this point, after you've done that, now you're just gonna wanna go in a circle around the pretzel because we're making a spider web. Just like that. And then if you want yours to be thick, you could do it again. Just like that.
Mama,
And then at this point, while the chocolate is still melted, you want to go in with your sprinkles. Nope, sorry. You want to go in with your toothpick. And you're just want to draw a little, just like a little line to make it look like it's a spider. Right? And now that you got that on there, you just want to sprinkle.
I'm not a fan of hot things.
Your little sprinkles on there. It's real simple, guys. Y'all, this is something that you can do with your kids. It's really fun. It's really simple. Just the adults, make sure y'all are the ones that's melting the chocolate, because baby, I burnt mine a little bit, but it don't look that bad, and it still tastes like white chocolate. It don't taste burnt at all, so don't judge us. But let me show y'all my kids. Okay, Shy is drawing her little webs. That's right, mamas. Are you having fun, Shy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mine is not thick enough.
Your chocolate's not thick enough? So you want to put some more chocolate on there? Okay, here go Cam. Cam, is this fun?
Yeah.
You see, mine's not thick enough.
It's stressful.
It's stressful?
Bullshit.
She's at that age where she wants to be independent. She doesn't want any help. I know that's right, Shy. Is it chocolate too hard? No? Okay. Well, I guess I'm bothering her. But yeah, look at mine so far. All right, Cameron's ready to put his sprinkles on his. Okay. Looks pretty good.
Got a few in the middle. Get some right here. Get some over here.
That's a lot of sprinkles. Baby, sister girl, she's serious. Well, yours is so pretty, Shy. You need to hurry and put your sprinkles on before your chocolate melts. Get your sprinkles. Don't
can't make another one.
Don't sprinkle a lot. Okay, girlfriend. Oh. Okay, y'all, I know we kind of all over the place with this video. If you ever try filming with kids, whew. But anywho, at this point, you can let your stuff dry, like leave it out and let it dry, but I'm impatient and they getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the freezer and let it cool and freeze a little bit so that we can pick it up off the parchment paper and y'all can see the finished look. All right, y'all, it's been a few hours later. The kids done ate theirs already. I haven't ate mine because I wanted my icing to cool off. So I'm gonna show y'all mine and hopefully it looks good. So let me pull it out the freezer. So this is what mine look like, guys. Now I guess I'm gonna try to pull this off the parchment paper without it ripping. And was I supposed to use the parchment paper on the shiny part, or was I supposed to do it on the white part? That's probably the problem. Anywho, let's try to get this off. Oh, it's not coming off. Hey, I'm gonna use a spatula to see if this helps. I don't think we were supposed to use the shiny part of this paper. Oh, I'm messing it up. Oh, we'll give it back. Oh, shoot. Oh, Lord, I done messed it up. This is supposed to still be on here. You're supposed to have connecting webs, but whatever. Okay, y'all got the point of the video, what we was trying to do. It was an epic fail, but you know, whatever. This is something that y'all can do with y'all kids. Y'all can have fun with it. If you want to do little spiders, you can. If you want to do whatever it is that you want to do. No, Shop, put that back. So I just want to do a cute little fun video with you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video with me and my kids. And yeah, let's taste this and then we'll close out the video. So let's see. Oh, white chocolate and pretzels go good together. I don't know about the sprinkles. I mean, the sprinkles okay, but have you ever dipped pretzels with white chocolate? It's pretty darn good. It's breaking. Oh well, guys, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.